Welcome to our Sharvana's Knowledge Hub. In today's video, we'll explore two vital systems, the liver and urinary system, and understand important medical terms related to them. Let's begin with liver terminology. Hepatomegaly, this refers to the enlargement of the liver. It can be due to infections, fatty liver, or tumors. Hepatitis, a condition that causes inflammation of the liver, often caused by viruses or alcohol. Hepatology, this is the study of the liver, its diseases and functions. Cirrhosis, a serious condition involving chronic liver damage that leads to scarring and loss of liver function. Jaundice, a yellowish discoloration of the skin and eyes caused by accumulation of bilirubin, often due to liver dysfunction. Portal hypertension, an increase in blood pressure within the portal vein, commonly seen in liver cirrhosis. Ascites refers to the accumulation of fluid in the abdominal cavity, usually due to liver failure. Hepatic encephalopathy, a dangerous condition involving decline in brain function due to toxins building up when the liver fails. Steatosis, also known as fatty liver, this occurs when abnormal fat accumulates in liver cells. Hepatocellular carcinoma, a type of primary liver cancer, often linked to chronic liver disease. Liver function tests, LFTs, these are blood tests used to assess liver health and detect any damage. Cholestasis, a condition where the bile flow is blocked, causing bile to build up in the liver. Bilirubin, a byproduct of red blood cell breakdown processed by the liver, and a key marker for jaundice. Hepatorenal syndrome, a life-threatening condition where kidney failure occurs due to severe liver disease. Dysuria, painful or difficult urination, often caused by infection. Anuria, a condition where there is a complete absence of urine production. Hematuria, the presence of blood in the urine, which could be due to infections, stones, or trauma. Polyuria, excessive urination, often seen in diabetes. Oliguria refers to reduced urine output, usually less than 400 milliliters per day. Nocturia, frequent urination during the night time. Incontinence, the inability to control urination, common in elderly or those with nerve damage. Uremia, a toxic condition due to accumulation of waste products in the blood, seen in kidney failure. Proteinuria, the presence of excess protein in urine, often a sign of kidney damage. Pyuria indicates pus in urine, suggesting a urinary tract infection. Urolithiasis, formation of stones or calculi in the urinary tract. Cystitis, inflammation of the bladder, mostly due to infection. Renal failure, a condition where the kidneys lose their filtering ability, can be acute or chronic. Nephritis, inflammation of the kidneys, leading to impaired function. Glomerulonephritis involves inflammation of the glomeruli, the filtering units of the kidneys. Frequency, an urge to urinate more often than normal. Urgency, a sudden and strong urge to urinate, common in infections. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more medical learning videos.